Hey guys, so your girl is here with a quick kitchen hack. If you want your Kpomo game to go from this to this, then keep watching this video. I promise you it won't take long at all, okay? So here is my Kpomo as typical as you would find it in a Nigerian market. Looking very wonderful. I don't want to call it ugly because for goodness sake, it's something you're going to eat, right? So I washed this fairly so that you can see the old method you've been washing it. Maybe just wash it with your hands and then go in with the knife to scrub the skin, okay? Here I'm trying to cut off every rope that I find on the meat so that I can properly wash it. And then afterwards, I go in with the knife, okay? Now imagine yourself scrubbing this black skin of the cow with your knife. Even if your knife is the sharpest knife, sometimes you don't get any meaningful result. Now take a look at this. It is still looking black and ugly. It's a no-no, okay? Now it's time to switch up and change your Kpomo washing game. Ta-da! This is what we are going to use. This is a special kind of iron sponge. It has foam inside so it can bend. It's flexible, but you know the iron spongy thing is on the body. I don't know how they fabricated it, but it's a lifesaver, guys. This is going to do the magic for you. So just get one, but please make sure that you dedicate it just for meat, okay? You're using it just for cow skin so that you don't use it to wash oily plates, stains, and all of that, and still use it for your Kpomo. All right, so just dedicate one for this particular purpose. And guys, just see how beautifully clean this Kpomo is. It's just like magic, guys. Just imagine. Actually, they call this sponge a magic iron sponge, and it's doing just that. See, you can even use it for inside of the skin, the inner part. You know, some of this Kpomo can carry some funny things inside, yeah. So you can use this instead of using knife. Sometimes you can even hurt yourself with a knife, you know now. But with this, it's a lot safer, and it saves you loads of time in your kitchen. You save so much time. Now you are going to see the great reveal. See what our Kpomo looks like. Yay! See how clean, beautiful. Nwanu negodo, negodo. Ah, lekwano. See this beautiful baby girl looking all mwah. Oh my goodness. I feel like I should eat this raw. So you see, I saved time and also avoided getting caught by a sharp kitchen knife. If you learned anything from this video, please subscribe to my channel and come back for more videos. Bye!